So following on from the previous video, just to give you a sense of what's going on, in the previous video we got to this answer here. dV by dt we worked out to be 31.4. So just to give you a sense of what's going on, look at this situation here. When the radius is 50, okay, the radius is increasing by 1 meter per hour. The thickness is 0.1. Just to give you a sense of what's going on, let's just imagine currently we are at this situation here. Now we will then dump this amount of oil into here. So imagine it as this. Imagine as this. Currently our oil is here, okay, of radius r. Now when we are now going to dump, all of a sudden we're going to dump 31.4 meters cubed in here. So this 31.4 is really this bit here. It's really this, in a way, this donut here. Okay, let's just visualize it like this, just to get a sense of what's going on. So hang on, let's start again. So currently we are at this situation here, and then all of a sudden we are going to dump this amount of oil into here. So the radius will grow. So currently we are of radius r here, and then all of a sudden we're going to dump 31.4 meters cubed of oil into here. So this 31.4 is this bit here. Okay, the question here is, what will our new radius be? What will x be? So if we all of a sudden dump this amount of oil into here, what will be our new radius? What will be x? So let's just try and understand what's going on. So hang on, let's think. If you work out the whole area here, remember x represents our new radius. Okay, if you get our new radius, pi r squared, our new radius here, that will give us, so this bit here will give us this big circle here, and then take away the small circle, which will be this bit here. So what's left is our donuts here. Okay, and then when we times by the thickness of the oil, it should give us the amount of oil that we are dumping in right from the start. Okay, so now so we are currently here. Divide both sides by 0.1. That will take you to this. Factor out the pi. So we are really trying to work out the new radius. Factor out the pi, and then divide both sides by pi. That will then take you to this. Okay, and remember that the old radius was 50. Okay, so currently it's 50 here. So what we do is this here is 99.9, and then add 50 squared to both sides. That will then give you this, and then square root both sides. That will then give you this. So what that means is, when all of a sudden, if you were to all of a sudden add 31.4 meters cubed of oil into here, the radius will jump to 51 meters. So roughly speaking, you can see that it's growing by, well, the radius, roughly speaking, is growing by 1 meter per hour. So roughly speaking, so that then, this is just another way of looking at the problem here. If you were to all of a sudden dump this into here, the radius will grow to 51 meters. So it does kind of match up with the speed here. Well, I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. Okay.